Hello guys. So on this section we're going to be discussing on Python. Python is a programming language which is the fastest programming language right now and is very popular. So how do we go about Python? How do we make use of Python? How do we use Python? What are the tools we're going to have to get started with Python? Mind you, Python is very easy, or let me say it's very easier than other programming languages. When you have a little bit of understanding about programming, maybe you type that has come across C sharp, you've come across React. When you're using Python, it's kind of more easier than other programming languages. I'm not saying those programming languages are bad or they're not good. They are. But with Python, it makes our work more easier. And Python is a multi-purpose language. When you talk about Python in general, who are these people that they use Python the most? When you talk about the software engineers, the mathematicians, accountants, network engineers, data analysis, and kids. Oh, scientists as well make use of Python. So what makes Python special? You can solve complex problem in less time. It's a multi-purpose language, like I said. When you have kind of job like data analysis, AI, mobile app, web app, desktop app, even hacking as well. And it's kind of, let me say, another reason why Python is kind of okay is that they have a large community. When you talk about large community, it means, for instance, let's say you are trying to run some codes, you come along some errors. You can actually communicate with the community because nothing you want to do or you're trying to solve that some other people have not come across before. So are you having that kind of issue for that moment? You can easily search online, call for assist. You see some codes already, easy codes. But the moment you have the understanding of Python, seeing the codes, you'll be able to know your way around it. So that's Python. So I want you guys to relax and let's see how we can install Python and the tools we need to have to start Python. See you in the next video.